The values that you keep in your heart is the most important thing to have with you when you're making choices and decisions in life, because your values will be the basis of all your choices. So when we're talking about the Sámi values, what are we talking about? These are values that have been among the Sámi people since the beginning, or as far as we know, like as far back in history as we know. It's the fundament of the Sámi ways, the way of thinking, the worldview. One very good example of this is the relationship with nature. Since the Sámi people started writing books, we have been writing about how nature is being destroyed and how the Sámi ways are pushed aside and oppressed. So we Sámi people, we have always fought against destruction of nature, and we will always do it. That is just one of our fundamental values. Every one of us knows that if we don't have our land, then we cannot be Sámi people anymore. And I want to just take another example. We were discussing about the Gakti on my profile, and I think it could be difficult for a non-Sámi to understand the value that a Sámi person puts into the Gakti. A little bit like how the governments don't understand the value that the Sámi people put in the land, that we need the land to be Sámi people. Or they do understand it, but they're just prioritizing other values. So it's really important to understand the basic values of the Sámi people so that we are able to take choices and decisions according to those values. So I encourage anyone who are trying to learn about the Sámi ways, try to think about what are the values. So you know when you make a decision, how will this affect the Sámi community as a whole? Is it good or is it bad for the Sámi community? If you don't understand what value it has amongst the Sámi people, it's really difficult to understand the consequences. But when you know the values inside the community, then you're able to make decisions and choices that can benefit the Sámi community, which is what we're working for, or at least that's what I want to believe, that most people actually want to honor the Sámi values and help with keeping the Sámi ways alive. I'm Sápmi. See you later.